Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam frosted Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some glitter. I've got white glitter here and I also have silver. I may or may not be using the silver. I have got some diamond wrap and I've got some laurel stems here. And I picked these items up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event lighting, decor, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. So what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need a piece of foam board. You're going to need 2 of these rectangular floral foams. I have got 3 of these glass candle holders, the square ones. I've got just a mix of different kinds of little silver ornaments. Different sizes. Got some larger ones here and even larger ones. And they're from Dollar Tree. I also have some silver poinsettias from Dollar Tree. I have some white poinsettias from Dollar Tree. I've got some silver picks. Just different silver picks from Dollar Tree. I have got a garland that I have cut into little stems here. So you will need some garland that you can cut into stems, or if you can find picks this size, you can use picks. Again, just a different array of little types of garland stems. I've even got some frosted ones here. From Dollar Tree, I've got some Mod Podge, so you will need that. Got a paintbrush. From Michael's, I have some silver ribbon, but they do have silver ribbon at Dollar Tree. From Walmart, I have got some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using some hot glue on this project. If you want to make any components of the project permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond. These are the items that we'll need in order to create the centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I think this centerpiece turned out absolutely beautifully, and it was so simple to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs and videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.